Hey there. So a couple of things about transfer course equivalencies. If you have prerequisites that could be taken at a community college, I just wanted to walk through transfer course equivalencies and kind of some of the tips and tricks of how to use this tool. And when you scroll down, you want to select your state, which is usually Virginia. The school system, I usually suggest the Virginia Community College system because they're all over the state of Virginia. And then when you select your subject, you want to actually select what you believe is close to what you want to take. So let's say it's EDUS 301, which is very common to take at a community college. So when you press search, it will pop up with the transfer institution courses and then what the VCU equivalent is. What I do is a quick Control F or a find on the page, EDUS, and then -301. And then it will take me to EDU 207 is the course that you want to take at your community college. Let's take another one, maybe history, right? So, and they're not alphabetized, which is odd, but fine. And I would select all of history and do the search, make sure it comes through. So say you need history 201, you do a find, HIST-2. And it doesn't look like any of them are showing here. So what I would look at is some of these courses, history topics in history, and then also looking at history 201 here at VCU. And so what you would do is usually I do a quick Google search history 201 VCU, and then it will usually take you to the bulletin. And so when you are on the bulletin, you can actually look up the course itself and see, okay, so I need art of historical detection. But what are the actual requirements of this? And looking at really what are the different learning outcomes. You can take this course description to the community college and say, is there anything that aligns with this? And then work with us to figure out, is there something that can transfer in so that I can transfer in from a community college, any of the prerequisite courses that I may still have left as I'm looking into my program here at the School of Education. So I hope this was helpful. Again, the transfer equivalency page, it's the transfer center. Usually you can do a quick Google search of the transfer center at VCU, and I find that, and then transfer equivalency course under transfer credits, or I usually send you the direct link too. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And I hope you have a great day.